again, it's Jeff from beautiful downtown 29 Palms, California. Today we're going to be attempting another card shot. Unlike the other card shots, this is going to be cutting two cards with a single shot. And also unlike other card shots that I've seen on TV where they line the cards up in succession and try to cut all the cards through with a single shot, I'm going to be cutting two cards with one shot, and they're actually crossed on the target. What we did, we had to cut each card halfway through to allow them to slide over one another so they'd fit to the target. In order to cut both cards, we'll have to shoot right in the center of both cards. Try to split the cards, both of them, into at one time. Today we'll be using the H&K USP 45 with 230 grain factory ball ammo by Winchester. We'll be shooting from about 7 to 10 yards away. Hopefully we'll do it for sure. This will be our first shot, trying to split two cards simultaneously. All the way through. Split this one and split that one there.
That was a good shot. Huh? That was a good shot.
Yeah, I don't know what happened here, first shot. Again, it's Jeff Dekoff from beautiful downtown 29 Palms. October 31st, almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going to be attempting another balloon shot. This will be a 100-yard shot, 12-inch balloon. We'll be shooting at it with a H&K USP 45 caliber semi-automatic, shooting factory 230 grain ball Winchester ammo. Slip in a little quirk here on this shot. We'll be firing from the 100 yards, as I said, but I'll be shooting open sight, upside down, laying on a banquet table. Hopefully we'll get it first shot. Okay, we're at the firing point. We're going to attempt to pop a balloon, 12-inch balloon with my H&K 45. Like I said before, using a 230 grain ball ammo by Winchester. Here's the table I'm going to be laying on. I'm actually going to be laying on my back, hanging over the end of the table, sighting in, and there's the target downrange.
Got it.
Got a camera running down range. Okay, could be first shot down range. Got a little bit of wind blowing out there, so it's gonna be fun. We get it?
Yep.
Hey, hey! Great shots, great shots!
So it proves even with the little short-barreled semi-automatic, you can do shots like that at 100 yards with factory ammo, factory gun, open sights. Hello again, Jeff Dekoff from beautiful downtown 29 Palms. That's pretty good. Did he shoot something at us?
No.